People, before you throw away your ripe avocado, there's something that I want to show you in this video. You don't need a whole bag full. All you need is one avocado to make a pure avocado oil straight out of your kitchen. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment below, and remember, people, share this video with your friends that my channel can grow. I want you to stick around to the end, watch this video entirely so that you can know the powerful benefits of avocado oil and how to make it yourself. Let's go. All right, people, so we need the avocado, ripe avocado here, and we need a knife. All right, so first step, we're just gonna cut this avocado like this. Nice, beautiful avocado. I'm going to be showing you how to make the powerful avocado oil, all natural, all pure, in your kitchen. All right, people, so the next step, you have to remove the avocado seed, right? So that's what I'm doing here right now. I want you to learn how to make this powerful oil in your kitchen. All right, let's go. All right, people, so we're now going to scoop out our avocado into a bowl like this. And remember, what we are making is a powerful avocado oil that is excellent for hair growth, excellent for the skin. We're going to delve into some more amazing benefits as we venture into making this natural potent oil. All right, so we just want to have all of this in our bowl or container at this time. And we're now going to scoop out the other half into our bowl or container like this, right? And I'm using a spoon here. All right, so we're making a powerful, pure avocado oil that has so many medicinal benefits, very important for us, especially for those persons experiencing arthritis, joint pains, right? Stiff joints, stiff muscles, sore muscles. You can definitely benefit greatly from this powerful avocado oil. All right, so we have completed scooping out our avocado, so we're going to move on to the next step. All right, people, the next step is to light the stove, right? And we want to put it on low heat, so we're just going to turn this down. Then we're going to place our saucepan here. You have the sun dry method, where you can spread the mashed avocado on a tray and place it in the sun for about 2 to 3 days until it turns brown and loses the moisture. All right, but what we're going to be doing now is using the stovetop method, where we're going to place our avocado in our saucepan like this. After doing this, we're just going to use a fork, right, and we're going to mash it out like this. And remember that you must have your flame on low heat, right? Very important. We don't want it to burn, and you're going to occasionally stir this for about 10 to 15 minutes until it changes color from what you see now to a brownish color. All right, so all the persons who are still here, remember to continue to support my channel, support my growth, and continue to share my videos. Okay, so I want this to be really nicely mashed. Avocado, people, is really powerful, very excellent for the body as well. When it comes on to the oil is excellent for hair growth. It helps to repair damaged hair, stop breakage, and add a natural shine. If your scalp is too dry or itchy, this oil is perfect for moisture and circulation. When it comes down to skin, avocado oil is also excellent for dark marks or dark spots. It helps to hydrate your skin and improve elasticity, making your skin glow without chemicals. All right, so we're just mixing this up, and we're going to be doing this for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. All right, people, this is how you make the powerful avocado oil, all natural, all pure. And the oil, people, as you can see, this is already changing color, right? The avocado oil is excellent for joints and pain relief. You can use it as a massage oil to relieve arthritis pain, back pain, or muscle tension. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in the avocado oil help ease stiffness and promote better blood flow. People, right now, this is a powerhouse that I am showing you how to make yourself, right? Rather than going out and buy it, you can make it yourself. If you have more avocados, you know, you can definitely do this with more avocados as well. But this is a powerhouse for your skin, your hair, and your joints, people. All right, so you don't want to miss this one. This one you can actually do it yourself. Yes, people, you know, I love to show you how to do the thing yourself. You know, that's what this channel is about, you know, utilizing what Yahweh has given unto us for our healing and benefit, right? So I love to show you how to make these things yourself, you know, that you can actually do it yourself, right? And you can heal yourself naturally at home. You know, the herbs are really powerful. The fruits are powerful, you know, the fruits bearing seeds, you know, really powerful for us people. All right, so definitely this is a powerful oil we're making, avocado oil. Right now, people, while this avocado is drying, I can already feel how soft it is on my skin. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see right here, I'm just taking a little. You just want to ensure that it's not too hot, right? And I'm just going to rub it right here, and look what happened here. I can feel the difference. You know, my pores absorbing, you know, vitamin E right now. Right, people? Healing right now. You know, for persons with pain, even in this form, this state where it is now, while it transition into that perfect oil, right? You can actually use this as a massage for sore muscles, tension, you know, joint pain as well. All right? So I just wanted to show you this, people. See what it's coming down to right now? Remember the amount that we started out with? You know, as the moisture and all that, you know, goes, you know, this is what is left now, right? And we still have a little way to go. All right, continue watching. Let us see this powerful oil. You can see coming together, changing to that brown color that we want, right? Almost there. One thing about making avocado oil, you know, it takes a lot of patience, right? But once you are patient enough, you will get the results, you know, for your effort at the end, right? So definitely you want to get all the amazing benefits of this oil. All right, so we want to see the final results. Just going to move to the next step now. Here it is. See, it look brown, change from that greenish look to this brownish color. This is what we wanted. All right, put it together and you squeeze. If your avocado is too dry, you can always add a little olive oil to it, and that will help you as well. This oil will help with hair growth, muscle tension, and joint pain. For all the persons who have stick around to the end of this video, remember to smash that subscribe button, remember to hit the notification bell, and also to share this video with your friends. One love, shalom.